Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. In this video, I'll share what are flax seeds, ground versus whole flax, milled flax versus flax flour, flax and ALA omega-3, and then a comparison of flaxseed versus wheat flour, its nutrition and protein. Flax seeds are seeds of the flax plant. The seeds can be brown or golden. Whole seeds can be used alone or mixed with other seeds to garnish foods. Milled or ground flax seeds are more versatile than whole seeds. You can use milled flax seeds as a gluten-free flour substitute, or added to hundreds of recipes as a partial substitute for refined wheat flour. Most people associate flour with a fine, powdery consistency. Most gluten-free wheat flour substitutes, like this superfine almond flour, have larger particle sizes than refined wheat flours. With no legal definition of milled, meal, or flour, what one company calls milled flaxseed, another calls meal. Finely ground flaxseed flour is available, but it can be very expensive. Most recipes call for milled flaxseed meal since it's readily available. If a recipe calls for flaxseed flour, use a coffee grinder to process flaxseed meal. Flax seeds are high in omega-3 ALA fat. ALA is found in plant oils and nuts, whereas DHA and EPA come from fatty fish. Omega-3 fats are required for healthy cell function. They're also required for hormones that regulate blood clotting, contraction and relaxation of artery walls, and to regulate inflammation. If you do not like fatty fish, plant food ALA omega-3 is your only source, excluding supplements. The ALA in flax seeds and flaxseed oil is a polyunsaturated fat. As you can see, 65% of flaxseed fat is polyunsaturated. Some people fear polyunsaturated fat because they easily oxidize and produce free radicals. Oxidation occurs more rapidly when flax seeds are milled or ground, exposing the fat to oxygen. To slow oxidation, store milled flaxseed in an airtight container in your refrigerator or freezer. Unlike milled flax seeds, refined white wheat flour can be stored a year or more at room temperature. Refining not only removes the bran, but the oil-rich germ. Whole wheat flour is about 2% fat and can be stored for months at room temperature. Flax seeds are about 33% fat. Freezing milled flax seeds is ideal because you can use it without thawing. Unlike the neutral to mild aroma and flavor of wheat flour, milled flaxseed has a strong aroma and distinct flavor. Some describe the aroma and flavor as mild and nutty. My description of the aroma and flavor is similar to sesame seed oil. If you do not like the flavor of whole wheat and other dark breads, you may not like 100% flaxseed foods. One option is gradually adding flax seeds to your diet. Instead of 100% flax seeds, substitute 20 to 25% of the flour with milled flax seeds. Or add 1/4 cup of milled flax seeds to your recipe and increase the amount of liquid. Gradually increase the amount of flaxseed to suit your taste. Flaxseed meal and flour are gluten-free alternatives to wheat flours. Besides omega-3 fat, flax seeds are a high-fiber and protein food. Flaxseed meal has more than 6 times the fiber of all-purpose flour and more than twice the protein. While flax seeds have 80% less carbohydrates, it has about 50% more calories due to its high fat content. Flaxseed meal has 50% more fiber than whole wheat flour. As I've shared, flax seeds are high in fat, but low in saturated fat due to its high polyunsaturated fat content. Flax seeds and wheat flour provide plant protein. Protein provides essential amino acids. Unless you're on a gluten-free diet, a serving of flaxseed is 1 to 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon provides 2 grams of protein, about the amount in 1 slice of bread or 30 grams of flour. With the exception of leucine, the amount of essential amino acids is about the same. The amount of tryptophan is based on unheated flaxseed meal. Tryptophan can be destroyed when exposed to high heat. While 7 grams of flaxseed has about half the calories in a slice of bread, due to its high fat content, 100% flaxseed foods have 25 to 70% more calories. A gluten-free 6-inch corn tortilla has about 70 calories. A 6-inch flaxseed tortilla, 120 calories. While flaxseed foods are low-carb, gluten-free, paleo, and keto, they are not low-calorie. A takeaway from this video is that if you need to increase fiber, protein, or omega-3 fat, consider adding flaxseed to your diet in moderation. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching, and healthy eating.